Welcome to Sheboygan Chevrolet Chrysler Center. Today's special is a 2014 Chevy Equinox LT, stock number Z6786A. Only 41,000 miles and there's one owner, local trade, Atlantis blue metallic in color. You do receive the balance of the factory 5-year, 100,000-mile powertrain warranty. Safe vehicle as well. It's an Insurance Institute of Highway Safety's top safety pick. Seats 5, two-tone cloth interior. Lots of legroom for the rear passengers. Split seat back folds down to accommodate longer cargo items. Backup camera for additional safety. Lots of cargo space in the rear. Additional storage cubbies on both sides, as well as power outlet. And very clean, no dents or dings in the body. This LT has keyless entry with remote start, power windows, locks, mirrors, power driver's seat, along with a tilt and telescopic steering wheel that puts you in that perfect driving position, power moonroof. Read gauges with driver information system, cruise control, steering wheel mounted audio controls, large touchscreen infotainment system, for radio. It's also satellite radio capable, Bluetooth connectivity for hands-free phone use or to connect other Bluetooth enabled devices, great for wireless music streaming. You can even sync smartphones, Pandora, and Stitcher radio apps. And that is, of course, where the backup camera display is. Easy to operate heating and air conditioning. 6-speed automatic transmission with manual shift capability, as well as economy mode. Lots of storage space in the armrest. USB and auxiliary input allows you to connect those mobile media devices like iPods, MP3 players, smartphones. Spacious glove box. Overhead, moonroof control. Under the hood, this Equinox has a 2.4-liter, 4-cylinder, 182 horsepower. And just as clean under the hood as the rest of the vehicle. Excellent fuel economy. EPA average 22 miles to the gallon in the city, average of 32 on the highway. All that with new tires. For more, please go to SHEBOYGANAUTO.com or text SCZ6786A to 66245.
Choose Sheboygan Auto. We're conveniently located at 3400 South Business Drive or at 2701 Washington Avenue in Sheboygan, Wisconsin. SHEBOYGANAUTOS.com.